Okay. Very good morning, all. Welcome back after a short break. Now we are in day 2, session 2. The topic that is going to be discussed today is about industrial Internet of Things, instrumentation and control. Before entering into the session, I feel very much privileged to introduce about our today's resource person, Dr. P. Tirshakti Murugan, Professor and Head in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. I also feel happy to specially mention that I am blessed to be his student in my graduation, and he inspired me to enter into this teaching profession. I always be thankful to him, and now I go into his profile. He obtained his Bachelor of Technology in Electrical and Electronics Department from Pondicherry Engineering College, which is now upgraded as Puducherry Technological University, in the year 1998. He is a GATE qualifier of 1998 and completed his Master of Engineering in the Department of Instrumentation from MIT, Anna University. He obtained his doctorate in Control and Instrumentation from Pondicherry University in the year 2008. He started his career as Scientist B in Electronics Radar Development Establishment Section in DRDO in the year 2000. And later, he joined as lecturer in E&I of Pondicherry Engineering College in the year 2001. He has a teaching experience of 21 years in this department and elevated as senior lecturer, assistant professor, associate professor, and professor rankings. And currently, he is the head of Electronics and Instrumentation Department of Puducherry Technological University. He published around 25 international journals and 2 national journals. He presented his papers in 8 national conferences and 31 international conferences. He visited countries like Singapore, Australia, Sri Lanka for presenting papers in IEEE conferences. He is a life member of many professional bodies such as Indian Society for Technical Engineers, Instrument Society of India, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. He acted as guide for 2 PhD scholars, and 3 PhD scholars are pursuing research under his guidance. His research areas are control and instrumentation, motor controller design, adaptive control, intelligent control, and industrial automation. He acted as a Board of Studies member of Pondicherry University and Pondicherry Engineering College and developed new curriculum and syllabus for BTech of E&I, Instrumentation and Control, and Biomedical Engineering courses. He also acted as chairman of Board of Studies and developed new curriculum manuals for laboratory courses and BTech E&I department and new curriculum and syllabus for MTech Instrumentation Engineering courses of Pondicherry Technological University. He acted as the principal investigator ACT funded 12 lakhs project named Real-Time Adaptive Controller Implementation for Electric Vehicles for Energy Conservation in the year 2009. Currently, he is the principal investigator of ACT funded MODROC scheme 10 lakh project named Modernization of Transducer and Instrumentation Lab. With this short introduction, I invite Dr. P. Tirshakti Murugan sir for delivering his lecture in today's topic, IIoT, Instrumentation and Control. And I also thank him for accepting our invitation. And now I request him to share his knowledge in this topic. Thank you all. Now I hand over the session to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Sandravani. Thank you very much for your brief introduction about me. I welcome all the participants and the dignitaries to this lecture. Actually, I am not the specialist in IoT, but I know something about industrial process and control. So based on that knowledge, I am going to integrate the operational technology with information technology. Okay, so today's lecture will be like operational technology, the process operation technology with along with the IT, information technology. So that is called IIoT. Okay.